So today we have an unboxing Sennheiser profile USB microphone, and here's the box. Best in class. This thing was made in China. Usually the better Sennheiser products are made in Germany, but that's okay. Here's how the microphone looks. It has this swivel mechanism in it, as you can see, like that. 3 dials in the front, like that. Okay, so let's try out the profile USB microphone from Sennheiser, and here's the audio test of this microphone. And my voice right now is completely normal. It's a bit, my radio's type of voice, but still, it's very close to normal. But let's try how this microphone can handle, lower ways of speaking, low frequencies. I wonder how low this microphone could be recording my audio. I feel that the Sennheiser profile USB microphone might have been a really shitty purchase for the price of $100 million. Okay, there it clipped a little bit. Yeah, if I get really loud like that, it starts clipping, but you can turn the dial in this microphone down a bit, the green thing you see in the photos, and then your voice will be sounding so very nice, and it won't be clipping at all. And I hope that this was a good purchase and it will be better than the Tula microphone. Let's try one more voice. My guys over there, I feel that if you really want to do comedy cult type of stuff, for example in New York City, you have to be sounding like a rabbit, like a bunny, 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 bunny. Okay, so maybe that's the audio test. You get a basic idea. Usually it is the way that in YouTube, all the guys that do the audio test, they sound completely lame, They don't have any voice. They have all the microphones, but they don't have the fucking voice, For me it goes other ways. But thanks for watching this video.